Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Fiverr for virtual assistants, a platform where you can offer your VA services to clients worldwide. If you're thinking about starting as a virtual assistant or looking to grow your freelance career, this video will give you the insights you need. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips and online work guides. Let's start with how Fiverr works for virtual assistants. Fiverr is a marketplace where freelancers create gigs, predefined services that clients can purchase instantly. As a VA, you can offer a wide range of services such as email management, calendar management, data entry, social media management, customer support, or even research tasks. The beauty of Fiverr is that clients come to your gig, so you don't have to spend hours applying for jobs. You set your packages, delivery times, and pricing, giving you control over your work and income. Now, why Fiverr is great for virtual assistants? Fiverr has a global client base, which means you can find clients from anywhere in the world. You can start small, offering basic services, and then expand your offerings as you gain experience and reviews. Positive reviews help boost your gig visibility, which attracts more clients and higher paying opportunities. Fiverr also provides a secure payment system, so you don't have to worry about chasing payments. How to stand out as a VA on Fiverr is key. Make sure your gig title is clear and specific, highlight your skills and experience in your description, and use visuals or samples when possible. Offering different packages, like basic, standard, and premium, allows clients to choose the level of service they need. Responding quickly to messages and delivering quality work helps build a strong reputation, which is essential for long-term success. So, should you use Fiverr as a virtual assistant? Absolutely. Fiverr is ideal for beginners who want to start quickly and for experienced VAs who want to reach clients globally. Many successful virtual assistants use Fiverr to secure ongoing projects, build their portfolio, and even scale their services into a full-time business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe for more tips on virtual assisting and online freelancing, and share it with someone who wants to start their VA career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.